United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic Dominica, Cuba, Caribbean, Greenland, El Salvador, Puerto Rico, Colombia, Venezuela, Honduras, Guyana, and still Guatemala, Bolivia, and Argentina, and Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, Costa Rica, Belize, Nicaragua, Bermuda, Bahamas, Tobago, San Juan, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, French Guiana, Barbados, and Guam. Norway, Sweden, and Iceland, and Finland, and Germany now in peace. And Switzerland, Czechoslovakia, Italy, Turkey, and Greece. And Poland, Romania, Scotland, Albania, Ireland, Russia, Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, Ireland, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Kuwait, and Bahrain, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium, and Portugal, France, and America, Spain. India, Pakistan, Burma, Afghanistan, Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan, Cambodia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, China, Korea, Japan, Mongolia, Laos, the Indonesia, the Philippines, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, New Guinea, Sumatra, New Zealand, Only Vietnam, Tunisia, Morocco, Uganda, Angola, Zimbabwe, Djibouti, Botswana, Mozambique, Zambia, Scotland, Gambia, Guinea, Algeria, Ghana. Lesotho, Malawi, Pakistan, Sahara is gone. And Nigeria, Chad, Liberia, Egypt, Gabon, Tanzania, Somalia, Kenya, Mali, Sierra Leone, and Algiers, Dahomey, Namibia, Senegal, Libya, Cameroon, Zaire, Ethiopia, Guinea-Bissau, Madagascar, Rwanda, Majorca, Congo, Mozambique, Crete, Mauritania, Tanzania, Monaco, Liechtenstein, Palestine, Fiji, Australia, Sudan.